Dear viewers, my name is Panga Mesha Kiona. I'm working with Riewerm as agricultural field officer, and I have my fellow friend called You are working at?
I'm a consultant. I'm also agronomist by profession.
Okay. You are working with?
I'm consulting. I'm farm,
Okay.
especially on good agricultural practices through his farms.
Okay. That's a simple explanation from Mr. Masaku. Now I want to explain how we use our product Riewerm to the farm of this Mr. Kiwia, where Mr. Masaku as agronomist is working. Okay, at 10th of November is where we use Riewerm to treat French bean. The beans seeds were treated with Riewerm, and we used 20 liters of water to 20 liters of waters, and then we add Riewerm 100 mils, and then it stay quiet for 22 hours. Thereafter, the seeds were sent to the main field, so as to be sown, and the further growth and the development will be explained by our expert agronomist, where he will tell us the germination, emergence, and so forth. Welcome, Mr. Masaku, again.
Thank you, Mr. Panga. First of all, I would like to once again introduce myself. I'm Bernard Masaku.
Okay.
I'm an expert, especially in all agronomical practices which are required by the plant. First of all, I have to introduce this farm. This is Kiwia farm, and when we were starting all this process, I was with Mr. Panga when we were using his product from Riewerm. Is it a Riewerm?
Yeah, Riewerm.
Yeah, Riewerm product is what I can say. Riewerm is a wonder product.
Yes.
And being a wonder product, I want to say, as you can see the beans here. First of all, immediately we soaked, we planted, and as you can see, the germination was okay. There was no plant which never germinated, and I can say it's a wonder product because when you check, first of all, the crop vigor is okay. The germination was 100%, which means the product, first of all, it breaks the dormancy very fast, such that it enhances the seeds to germinate very fast. Another thing, when you look at the plant nutrition, Riewerm is the best because first of all, when you uproot the bean, you will find the rooting system is extensive, such that it will be able to reach nutrients where the roots cannot reach. It can reach when you use the Riewerm. Again, in terms of the color, the leaves color, you find it is very green. So it means the Riewerm facilitates nitrogen production, and that's why you can see the leaves are very green. So it will enable the chlorophyll to manufacture food very fast. Another thing is the stem. If you check, the stem is very strong, so the plant is stable, meaning it contains potassium, which will enable the plant to be stable. Another thing, you will not get the problem of fungal infection, because when the element potassium is high, you you'll find minimal infection of fungal,
Exactly.
fungal,
Yeah.
or any spores. The sporulization goes down, so you'll not get the problem of fungal diseases.
Thank you, Mr. Masaku. As you explained in deep, Revamp product has antifungal effect.
Yeah.
So it is treating fungus diseases. So
Yeah.
it helps to treat.
Yeah.
So it has a combination function.
Yeah, it has a
multifunction.
Yeah,
like that.
Yeah.
And one thing to tell others is that what is the normal germination time for French beans, and what you observe is this revamp help germination fast or what?
Okay, it's a very good question, and also it's good that you have reminded me. Somewhere it skipped.
Yeah.
When you plant without revamp,
Yes.
normally the beans take 7 to 12 days
Exactly.
to germinate completely.
Yes.
But when you use revamp,
Yes.
when you soak
Yes.
the seeds in the revamp solution,
Yes.
it will only take 4 days.
That's wonderful.
And the crop will be, will have already germinated, emerged. That is, yeah.
And you found there is no gap filling.
There is no gap filling.
All seed germinated, no any problem in germination.
No.
In the side where there is no revamp, maybe you found this effect of gap filling.
Yeah,
it
is there, right there. You can go and see. You can see here, as you can see, we did the gap filling. You can see all this part. You can see. We did the gapping. Where we have not used revamp. We had not used revamp here, but we did the gapping. And again, when you check this crop we planted with the DAP, with DAP fertilizer, yeah, it contains 18% nitrogen, 6% phosphorus, 0 K. So when you check the leaves, you find they have a problem. They are turning yellowing. They are yellowing. As compared to revamp, you'll find it is they are green.
Aggressive growth.
Yeah, and also aggressive. The figure, it has a very good figure. Thank you.
Very, very nice. So dear viewers, this marks the end of our dialogue, and I hope our product will make better and better as we continue feeding foliar. This is just a treatment on seeds. We're expecting foliar feeding of this plant today. So we're gonna experience, or we're gonna observe what will happen again till yield. So we'll schedule you what time will come again for foliar feeding. Thank Mr. Masaku.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Bernard Masaku. I'm agronomist by profession, consulting Kiwia Farm. In Kiwia Farm, we farm French beans, and we have done 12 acres. And out of 12 acres, there's an experimental plot where we have treated with Revamp. That's 1 acre, and there's another 1 acre where we are doing side by side without Revamp.
What are the benefits of using Revamp?
The benefit of using Revamp, what I've observed, immediately you plant, when you use Revamp, it breaks the dormancy very fast, such that within 4 days, already the seeds have germinated. Another benefit, during the vegetative stage, you find the crop is very healthy, that it has got a figure, and that figure, it means that you will have high yields. Thank you. Okay, thank you viewers. As you can see here, I'm trying to expound more about the Revamp wonders, and you can just observe the stem of the bean, that is the French bean. You'll find that it is very wide, it's very stable. So when the bearing produce, even if it has a heavy fruits, that is the beans itself, it will be able to withstand. It will be able to accommodate the weight of the produce. So that's why you see the Rievaum, it has made it stable, and that means there was good supply of potassium. That is the element. And again, you can check the rooting system. When you are trying to uproot it, you find that it is very firm, such that most of the roots are left in the soil. So the Rievaum also has got element phosphorus, which is essential for rooting system. So thank you very much. Thank you again, viewers, as we want to continue from where we left. As you know about the Rievaum products, the wonder product we were talking about, and the crop has been progressing. That is the French beans. As you know, now it is on the flowering stage, and what we have observed by the use of Rievaum, we have seen that where we only applied the Rievaum, you find the flowers, they blossom early than the untreated zone. So let's go and check. You'll see the difference.
Sorry.
You can see even this is the first crop. Already it has started emerging. As compared to the untreated zone, untreated zone, whereby not yet, it is only the budding stage, the budding stage. So viewers, I can advocate for each and every farmer we have in this world to go for the product, because I know and I believe, I've used it, I've seen its works, so it is a miracle. Thank you very much.